Good morning children. Today we will learn how to work in TuxPaint. So first of all we will open TuxPaint, but before that open in your book page number 41. We will do the exercise practical in computer lab using the TuxPaint. So I will click on start. Then I have already downloaded TuxPaint. So TuxPaint will be shown somewhere here on my start button. So I will click on TuxPaint. Now here I have two options, TuxPaint full screen and TuxPaint window. So I will be clicking on TuxPaint full screen. It will take slight time to open the TuxPaint. Now this TuxPaint window is open. Just see the parts of the TuxPaint window. So this is toolbar, then sub toolbar and the colors. Now toolbar is having various tools. For each tool there are sub tools in the right hand side. So if I click on lines, the similar kind of sub tools are shown, but if I click on stamps, various kinds of stamps are shown to me. By right clicking and left clicking, different kind of stamps are shown to me. Similarly, if I click on shapes, various shapes are shown to me in the sub toolbar. Then here this is the color bar through which we select the color. When we click on any color, but that particular color is shown. Suppose I click on gray, it shows dark gray. Now what I will do is I will do this exercise practical in computer lab given on page 41. So what we will do is, first of all we will select the paint tool, then we will select the brushes, a little thicker brush, then I will take the dark blue color, and I will draw this line which is given in the center, or before drawing that line I will take brown color, and with brown color I will try to draw the trunk of the tree. So here I will try to draw the trunk of the tree as shown in your exercise. Now same thing applies as it is in paint. I don't have to leave it open anywhere, otherwise my color will be spreading out. Now I will take dark green color and I will try to draw the foliage. I have taken a dark green and I will try to draw the foliage. Foliage is all the upper part of the tree. Now what I will do is I will take a dark blue color, and with dark blue color I will try to draw the skyline. So here we have to make sure that no space is left. Okay, if any space is left, then the color will be spreading out. So this I have drawn the dark blue skyline. Now I have to draw the sun. So I will take the shapes. I will come to the shapes. I will take the circle and I will draw a circle of yellow color. Now I will come to fill with color, and fill with color mein I will fill the yellow color here. I will take the dark green color, I will fill the dark green color here. I will take the brown color and we will fill the brown color here. Then we will take the light blue color and we will fill the light blue color here on top. Now this is perfect. Now we will try to draw the grass. Now grass is present in the magic tool. So we will click on the magic tool, and when it is arranged alphabet wise. So here we will get the F. Now down item I have to click here on the downwards tab. So I have this F, then G, this grass. Now grass is always green in color, so I can select the dark green color and I will be able to draw the grass. So grass is present in the magic tool. Now after my grass is drawn, I will try to draw the flowers. We will try to draw the flower. Now what we will do is, here only in the magic tool we have the flowers option also. So just above grass we have the flower option. We can select different colors for the flower. So here I click and I press and drag the flowers. I can have different colors for flowers. I can draw the flowers of different colors. this blank area I want to fill with light green color. So again I will come to line, fill, and I will fill with the light green color. Now we have to draw the birds. Now birds is something like this only. So I will take a say brown color and we will come to paint, and we will take this brush tool and we will just draw the birds using simple things. Or I can also draw it using stamps. So I will click on stamps. Now when I will click on right side, it will show me right side options, and at some point I will get the birds. Here I think it was the birds. This is the bird. So I will take any bird. Suppose I want to see a flying bird. So I will come down, this down option, and this is my flying bird. This is my flying bird. Flying bird.
Seagull.
Through this I can reduce the size, and I can select a bird also. That is all. Now once I have finished, I will click on save button. When I save, my file is saved as a slide. Now if I want to, I have already saved it. Now if I want to come out, I will just click on quit, and I will say yes, I am done. The file is saved. That is all for today's class. Thank you.